Welcome to the build. When it comes to matching your cables up with the beautiful luster of chrome, Magnum Shielding is the best choice with their Chromite 2 patented steel-braided cables.
We'll go ahead and start doing these transmission shroud.
When it comes to air and fuel management, DynoJet's Power Vision is the quickest, most user-friendly auto tuner in the industry. With simple plug-and-play installation, you choose a map, power down your bike, crank up your Harley, and your tuning is set. LaPera custom motorcycle seats have been known for style, comfort, and quality since 1972. With so many options to choose from, the LaPera Silhouette seat was a perfect choice for this build. I'm so excited that the build is complete, but I'm even more excited to find out who's going to win. Make sure you go to winanewharley.com today to get your chance to win this bike this December.